Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you about how you can do software update in your Motorola smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First, let's open the settings. Scroll down, you have to go to this system, and you can see here it is system updates, and there is currently no updates has been applied, and you can enable this smart update. You can also enable this, and here it is apply to all software update. You can choose this also. You have to click on check for update. First, let's open the Wi-Fi. Let's connect it first, like this, and click on connect and simply press back. You have to go to this try again, and it is checking for update, and you can see everything looks good. You are using the latest software. If it is any update, it will show up on here. You have to click on update, and it will be update by clicking on reboot. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.